What's up, my friends? All right, so this week, again, I went out to the woods with my girl and just took the camera, my Canon 1DX Mark II, and I was literally just out there shooting random stuff, just like the water, the trees, her walking, just a bunch of just stuff that I just wanted to practice with because I love shooting B-roll and I love shooting in slow motion. And I just had an opportunity to do that in 120 frames per second and had 1080p, and I just wanted to share with you guys. You know, in future videos, I will be doing a comparison with the 4K at 60 frames per second against the 1080p 120 frames per second, same camera, the Canon 1DX Mark II, just so you can kind of see the detailed comparisons. I haven't been shooting too much of the 4K at 60 frames per second, but I want to start doing it, especially after this comparison that you see, like, wow, there is, you know, is there a big difference in the detail quality, or is there a big difference in the slow motion effect? But besides that, I mean, I got many other videos coming out too. I have my 120D aperture light that came in, and I want to compare it with the Westcott Skylux that I got. If you really want to see that video too, make sure you subscribe so that way you don't miss that video as well. But without further ado, I want to show you this video that I just compiled together. Really, it's just me taking my camera, just shooting random things, putting in the timeline, putting music on top of it. So I wasn't sure what I was going to shoot. I just wanted to take my girl, my camera, and to just practice B-roll shots, and that's exactly what I did. Just trying to find inspiration, being creative out there, and just trying new things. So each time I go out, I'm going to try something different, and I just want to share that with you. Enjoy the video, and if any comments you want, just bring them below. And besides that, my friends, I will catch you guys in the next video.